Have you ever faced rejection and felt like it was the end of the world? The sting of not getting what you want is indeed frustrating and demotivating. But what if I told you that rejection could be your most powerful tool? Yes, learning to use rejection to your advantage can unlock doors you never knew existed. Once you master this, nothing can hold you back. By the end of this video, you will understand how to harness the power of reverse psychology to turn every no into a stepping stone towards your success. Number 12. Don't be too quick to react. Facing rejection can tempt you to let your emotions take over. This leads to immediate and sometimes regrettable reactions. However, embracing calmness as your shield can significantly alter the outcome. This approach, deeply rooted in Stoicism, encourages a measured and reflective response rather than a knee-jerk one. When overlooked or dismissed, instead of spiraling into upset or seeking immediate validation, pause for a moment. Question the root of your discomfort. Usually, it's not the rejection itself, but our own doubts and insecurities that amplify the pain. This moment of introspection is crucial. Being ignored? Take a deep breath. Understand that this moment doesn't define your worth. You must concentrate on your own actions and how you choose to respond, rather than fixating on how others treat you. This mindset shift is powerful. It is about controlling your emotional state and recognizing that your value isn't determined by others' recognition. Number 11. Process your emotions. It is essential to approach your emotions with the intent to understand and manage them constructively. Rejection is undoubtedly painful, but you must avoid projecting that hurt onto others. Acknowledge the sting of rejection without letting it drive you to lash out. This period of emotional processing is about finding a healthy outlet for your feelings, ensuring you don't inflict pain in response to your own. When you actively work through your emotions, you are taking a step towards healing and gaining a clearer perspective on the situation. This doesn't mean suppressing how you feel, but rather facing your emotions head-on. It's a delicate balance between acknowledging your hurt and ensuring it doesn't lead to negative actions towards yourself or others. Through this process, you're not only safeguarding your relationships, but also building personal growth and emotional resilience. Number 10. Accept the rejection. Once you have navigated through the initial emotional turmoil and regained your sense of self, it is time to reflect on the rejection with a clear and critical eye. Consider the possibility that the rejection may have occurred due to a mismatch in expectations or circumstances beyond anyone's control. This is an opportunity to identify any missteps on your part, viewing them not as failures, but as valuable lessons for the future. It's equally important to recognize that some aspects of the rejection may remain unclear, and that's perfectly acceptable. The key takeaway is the growth and insight gained from the experience. With this understanding, you're better equipped to face future rejections, armed with the knowledge and emotional tools to process and learn from them effectively. Each experience of rejection, while challenging, contributes to a deeper understanding of yourself and the world around you. It prepares you for whatever comes next with resilience and grace. Number 9. Ignore them equally. When indifference greets you, elevate yourself above it. Choosing not to engage with those who disregard you isn't about pettiness. It's a declaration of your self-esteem. Think of it this way. If someone deems you unworthy of their time, it's their loss, not yours. When you do not engage, you are essentially saying you value yourself more. This act of ignoring them as they do you is not about revenge. It's about focusing on what enriches your life, be it hobbies, learning, or spending time with those who appreciate you. Use their indifference as a motivator to enhance your self-respect and thrive in spite of their neglect. This method showcases your emotional intelligence and the unshakable belief in your own worth. Number 8. Erase them from your thoughts. When facing rejection, the key is to practice detachment and transform the sting of rejection into a force for personal evolution. Acknowledge the hurt, but don't let it define your thought process. Imagine navigating through life's challenges with the agility of a seasoned sailor, using the force of rejection to propel you toward new discoveries and opportunities. Engage in activities that feed your soul and expand your worldview. Surround yourself with a supportive community that encourages mutual growth. This journey of self-discovery and resilience demonstrates that rejection is not a measure of your value, but a redirection towards a path more aligned with your true self. Number 7. Seek no one's approval. In moments of rejection, remember that seeking validation is not the right way. Your worth is not a subject for debate or dependent on others' attention. Dive deep into your interests and connect with those who recognize your value. This active engagement in your personal development and happiness naturally diminishes the need for external approval. In this way, you transform rejection into an opportunity to affirm your self-worth and independence, crafting a life that's rewarding on your own terms. Number 6. Cut off all the ties. Silence is a strategic response to rejection, a way to reclaim your power without engaging in futile attempts to gain acknowledgement. This period of silence is not about inaction, but about introspection and growth, a chance to realign with your goals and values. It's a boundary set for your peace of mind, a statement that you value yourself too much to plead for anyone's attention. This approach, far from guaranteeing a change in others, transforms you to tackle future challenges with dignity. Number 5. Showcase your worth. Rejection is not an end point, but a test of your resilience. Use it as a motivation to demonstrate your capabilities. Engage in projects or initiatives that highlight your talents, showing that your worth is not diminished by others' failure to recognize it. This proactive stance is about acknowledging your emotions, but choosing to channel them into constructive actions. It's an opportunity to reassess your strengths and realign your path, proving that every rejection is a step towards uncovering your true potential and crafting a narrative of triumph and self-discovery. Number 4. Turn doubt into drive. When you get rejected, instead of feeling down, use it as a push to get better and prove to yourself what you're capable of. It's not about showing others they were wrong about you, but about going beyond what you thought was possible for yourself. Dive into learning new things or getting better at what you already know, and let the quality of what you do show your true value. This path of making yourself better changes how others see you and change the story about you. The real win is seeing how far you've come and knowing that the only approval that really matters is your own. Number 3. Health comes first. Keeping yourself healthy, both in your body and mind, is super important, especially when dealing with rejection. Doing physical activities or learning new things can keep you from getting stuck on the disappointments of the past. These actions keep you living in the now and help shift your focus from the past to the present. If you're feeling sad for a long time, it's a good idea to talk to a professional about it. They can give you advice on how to deal with these feelings and help you move past the rejections without them weighing you down. Keeping a balance between your mental and physical health is crucial for bouncing back stronger. Number 2. Find happiness and make friends. Going out of your comfort zone to find joy and make connections with others can really help you deal with rejection. Don't shut yourself away. Instead, look for things that make you happy and spend time with people. You could pick up a new hobby, hang out with friends, or go places you've never been before. Doing these things makes you feel like you belong and shows you that you're worth more than any rejection. Sharing these moments with others not only takes your mind off the negatives, but also helps you grow as a person, making you more understanding and able to deal with different situations. Number 1. Learn and evolve. Focusing on the bad parts of being rejected won't help you grow. Instead, see each rejection as a chance to learn something new. If you didn't get the job you wanted, ask for feedback to see how you can get better. Think about past relationships or times you've been rejected to spot any warning signs or ways you can improve yourself. This way of thinking helps you get stronger and build a good base for whatever comes next. That way, you'll be more ready and able to handle similar situations in the future. Learning from being rejected means making yourself tougher and more confident to take on new challenges. Conclusion. Facing rejection is a part of life, but it doesn't define your worth or dictate your future. Every rejection is an opportunity for growth, a stepping stone to becoming more confident and prepared for what lies ahead. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.